Following collection of the semen, the AV and the semen in the test tube is brought back to the laboratory. The semen is deposited in a water bath with the label to again maintain the identity of the bull. Antibiotics are placed within the semen to prevent any type of bacterial contamination during the processing, and the tube is capped, shook up to mix the antibiotics in and then placed in the water bath. The semen processor then will take the tube, and again maintaining temperature to prevent cold shock, can now take the tube, weigh it, and get the total volume of the semen that was ejaculated by the bull. They'll also then take a pipette and, obtaining a certain amount of volume from the semen, will then place that in a test tube which has been calibrated and a standard curve made for the amount of sperm, and very rapidly, using a spectrophotometer, the semen now can be calculated for its concentration. Following that, on the calculations for the concentration and total number of sperm, this is calculated and then placed on a baggie in which the first fraction, fraction A of the semen freezing process, now can be added. This fraction contains egg yolk citrate buffer, 20% egg yolk, and this will be your first volume that is added to the semen. This allows the semen to be cooled down to 5 degrees C over a very slow process. As you can see here, we are filling the volume which would be 50% of the total volume that we'll be using with this fraction A. Again, the label with the bull number and the date of collection is placed on the baggie, and double checks are made to ensure that that is the bull that we are now processing. This semen is placed in a water-jacketed beaker, which allows us to now go in and cool down to 5 degrees C.